Alumni, students, and residents of the community of Bakersfield, BHS is inviting all to come out and support their Runners to the Rig event. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. This is the first time that the school is inviting the community to the historical campus to come out and raise funds for their students.
Drillers, drillers, drillers. Who are we? BHS!
The parent-teacher-student organization of BHS came together to think of ways to gather funds for their students, sport teams, and clubs.
It's a bunch of parents. We had an idea to bring the Driller Nation together. So it's been part of my life for many decades. And now I've had 3 sons come to Bakersfield High School. It's a fantastic place. The history, the culture, the people you meet.
The campus has seen its fair share of history. It was the first high school in the county, originally named Kern County High School in 1893, and changed to Bakersfield High School in 1945. Among its distinguished alumni is U.S. Supreme Court Chief Justice Earl Warren. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. also spoke at the school's Harvey Auditorium, as did multiple professional and Olympic athletes.
So this right here is one of the most historic parts about BHS. It's our football tunnel. Within the last decade, our stadium went through renovations, but the one thing that didn't change was this tunnel. You got names upon names upon names of different drillers from all walks of life.
While the run is going on, the school is offering a historic tour to the community, showing them all the monumental buildings and parts of campus.
Well, BHS is 130 years old. That's older than any high school around here, older than you and I, of course. But there's just so much history, like within all walks of life, within our tunnel, within any spot, something major has happened. Whether it be for you, whether it be for any student here, you can say something significant about every part of this campus.
Students tell me they are excited to bring this event to the community, and it feels amazing to be a part of history. You can still register in person on Saturday and participate in the events. There will be prizes for first, second, and third place, alongside the tour throughout the historic campus. This event starts at 8:30, and registration will take place on campus at 7:30 a.m.
It feels amazing. I know that BHS is very amazing, but not everybody else knows it. So we really want to just spread how absolutely incredible our campus and our history is. It really provides just community involvement. The neighboring areas and the people that go to the school have a place to gather and something to do that's fun on the weekend.
Organizers advise that you get there 30 minutes before the event to try to find parking and start the registration process if not registered.
7 a.m. is on a Saturday. I understand it's early, but come be part of history.
All the funds accumulated from the event will go to help support the students from their clubs, extracurricular activities, and their sport teams. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.